Hi guys, today I will be teaching you about the equation of a line. So first, we're going to draw the line in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Now, what does m stand for? M is equal to the slope. The slope is the number that describes both the direction and the steepness of a line, and it is obtained with the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and it represents rise over run, which shows the number above is going to show how many times it goes up, and the number below represents how much is going to move to the sides. And the b, in this case, b is the y intercept. Which is where the point where the line intersects with the y-axis. So today, I am going to demonstrate you two examples to show how this equation works. So, our first example is going to consist of finding the equation of a line from 2 points. So we have A, that is 1, 2, and B, which is 3, 4. So we're going to plot them in a graph like this. Nothing really big. So we have 1. Sorry for the point. Which is A, which equals 1 over 2. And then we have B, which is 3 over 4. Which is someplace like here. Which is B, 3, 4. Now, we are going to find the slope. So, slope. We know it equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now we're going to substitute. So we know that y2 is 4, and we know that y1 is 2. And now we also know that x2 is 3 and x1 is 1. Now if we finish that, we get 2 over 2, which equals to 1. And that's our slope. So now we're going to find the y-intercept of the line. So we have our slope already. Slope is equal to 1. So if we write it in point slope form, we will get y equals 1x plus b. So to get the y-intercept, we're going to use one of our starting points, and substitute them for the x and y values. So if we use point A, that is 1, 2, then we will be getting 2 equals 1 times 1 plus b. So now we have 2 equals 1 plus b. So if we subtract 1 from both sides, then we will be getting 1 equals b. And that is our y-intercept. So our line in the end is going to be y equals 1x plus 1. Now, for our second example, we're going to invert a and b. So now a is going to be 3, 4, and b is going to be 1, 2. So we are going to plot the points. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a, which is 3, 4, 3, 4, and then we have b, which is b, which is 1, 2. So now we are going to find the slope. So we know the formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if we substitute now, 2 is our y2 and 4 is our y1, and then 1 is our x2 and 3 is our x1. So our result will be -2 over -2, which makes it the same as the previous problem, 1. So now we're going to find the y-intercept again. So we have our slope, that is 1, so slope equals to 1. So now we're going to substitute again, because now we have y equals 1x plus b. So now we substitute for y with 4, and then we substitute x with 3, just as our point A. So we have 4 equals 1 times 3 plus b. And then now we have 4 equals 3 plus b, and we subtract 3 from both sides. So now we have 1 equals b. So our line is going to be the same as the previous example, which is y equals 1x plus 1. This is all for today, guys. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day.